In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best cast iron Dutch oven. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 7. Lodge 6 Quart Enameled Cast Iron. This porcelain enameled cast iron Dutch oven comes in a variety of exterior colors, with a cream-colored interior. While hand washing is recommended, it can be washed in a dishwasher. The pot is oven safe to 500 degrees for baking or broiling and holds 6 quarts. It can be used on any cooktop, including gas, electric, or induction, but it shouldn't be used on outdoor grills or over campfires. The tight-fitting lid helps retain moisture during cooking. Our tester also gives the Lodge high marks for how well it distributed and retained heat. Because of the double layer of enamel coating inside and out, this can be used for marinating, cooking, storing, and serving. Number 6. Le Creuset Enameled Cast Iron. This pot is an all-around winner, but comes with a steep price point. It's big enough to prepare most dishes, but not so large that it is too difficult to move. It has an enamel coating so you can cook anything in it, and like most Dutch ovens, it can be used on the stovetop or in the oven. The knob is either metal or a composite material that's safe to 500 degrees. For more versatility, the knob is removable, so if you need to cook at an even higher temperature, you can buy a replacement metal knob. The Le Creuset exceeded our testers' expectations in terms of heat distribution and retention. The pot's high sides and heat-conducting properties made evenly browning a whole chicken a cinch, she raves. Number 5. Lodge Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron. This raw cast iron Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned to give you a head start on getting a perfectly non-stick pot. But that's not the best part. The lid of this Dutch oven doubles as a skillet with 2 side handles, so you get 2 pots in one for an incredibly low price. Simmer your soup in the pot and make cornbread in the skillet at the same time. The downside of the skillet feature is that the lid doesn't have a top handle for lifting. Raw cast iron cookware is safe for use at any oven temperature, as well as on an outdoor grill or campfire. At super high temperatures, oven cleaning temperatures, the seasoning can burn off, but it won't hurt the cookware. You would just need to season it again. Number 4. STAUB Cast Iron Cochon Shallow Wide. This pot is wider and slightly shorter than other pots of the same size, but you can still fit an average-sized chicken in the pot. Meanwhile, the larger bottom surface means you can brown more food at one time before braising. Many reviewers are happy with how well this cookware browns, with fewer hot spots than some of its competitors. This Dutch oven also has a black interior that is less likely to show food stains. Nubs on the interior of the lid send moisture raining down on the food for self-basting. The top knob is small but raised high enough to make it easy to grasp when removing the lid. The lid is oven safe to 500 degrees, while the pot can handle up to 900 degrees. This cookware is made in France and is available in several different colors. Number 3. Lodge Enameled Dutch Oven. He #1 best-selling Dutch oven on Amazon. This 6-quart enameled option from Lodge has over 18,000 5-star ratings from shoppers. Available in an array of colors that look just as nice in the cabinet as they do on the dining room table, this medium-sized Dutch oven can be used on the stovetop or in the oven. The enamel coating makes cleanup a snap, and it's also chip-resistant to ensure its longevity. One customer raved that theirs lasted a decade before it got even one mark. Number 2. Cook's Standard 6 Quart. While heavy-duty options from brands like Creuset and Lodge are sure to last you for years, you don't have to shell out hundreds of dollars to reap the benefits of cooking with a Dutch oven. Case in point, this highly rated $48 Dutch oven from Cook's Standard. It trades the usual cast iron or enamel Dutch ovens, which work well, but can be extremely heavy, for a stainless steel material that's much more lightweight, so it's easier to clean and carry around the kitchen. Safe for both the stovetop and oven, it can even be put in the dishwasher after use. Number 1. Calphalon 193-2450. His nonstick pot is designed to make cleanup a breeze. The nonstick feature ensures you'll never have to scrub stuck-on food, and it's even dishwasher safe. This 5-quart aluminum option can be used on the stovetop or in the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Along with a tempered glass lid that keeps heat in, it comes with a built-in pour spout and stainless steel handles that are easy to grip, according to reviewers. "This is the best Dutch oven I have ever seen," one shopper wrote. "It is well worth the price. Just the ability to strain pasta directly will save hours."